Yeah, sorry about that. Hey YouTube users, I'm just gonna show you another video here how to increase your iPhone speed. On a 6.1. I don't know if it works on any other iOS versions, but I did it on my iPhone 4. So here you go. You have to install the source called this source right here. Oops, did not want to delete it. Install that source. I'll put the link on the description. As soon as you're done downloading that source, go to settings, type in mobile terminal. Come on, phone. Mobile terminal. And I've been hearing that the new one and the one I have downloaded are pretty much the same. So it's up to you. I haven't tried the new one. I don't know what's new about it. I just think is they just put new just to make you download it. But pretty much it worked. It speed up my phone, increased it big time. So install mobile terminal. As soon as that one's done installing, install clean up, clean space up space, oops, clean up space crap, and there it is. So install cleanup crap CUC. You're gonna need CUC because that's what I'm gonna have to use as a command. So as soon as you get that, install it. Then as soon as you're done with that, go to your home, go to terminal, click on it. It's gonna say loading because it's gonna load whatever it needs to load. It's gonna load up my iOS name as soon as it's downloading. Alright, so there it is. It showed up my name and it's an iPhone. And alright, here you're gonna type in, do everything step by step, because if you're not, then you're just gonna waste a little bit of time. So type in login. It's gonna come in. Then type in root. Type in the password is Alpine. Then alright, then it's gonna come up with root number. Then you're gonna type in CUC from that one app. Remember that app that I downloaded back in Cydia, the last one? Well, this is because if I didn't download that app, I would not be able to use this command. So as soon as type in CUC, it's gonna come up updating database. It's gonna do its update. I mean, not its update. Sorry about that. It's gonna do its cleanup. So it's pretty much updating the database so it can get all the information it needs. Pretty much what it's gonna do, it's gonna clean out any files that you are not using or have not been using in a long time. Pretty much anything that's in the background of apps and everything that is unneeded for the app, it's gonna get rid of or clean it or fix it. Pretty much, like I'll say, I had this game, Six Guns. I played it for, I don't know, a long time, and I got tired of it, so I deleted it. And it's been a while. And actually, when I was reading all the crap that I was getting rid of and fixing and whatever, I seen Six Guns, and I haven't played that game in over, I could say about 3 months. And pretty much, it just got rid of it or cleaned up whatever files I didn't need. So it goes through every file it doesn't need. It should take about a few minutes. It doesn't take that long. Oops. It takes about, I should say it takes about like 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, it's going through those bad files. Alright. It's taking its time. But the first time, this is like my 5th time doing it now. First time doing it, it showed up with 177 files, and it cleaned them up, and with those 177, it cleared up 33 megabytes. And because of those 33, it actually increased my speed of my iPhone, the performance of it, like big time. It actually stopped crashing a lot of my apps. It's actually, I was pretty tripping out because I was like, oh, 33 megabytes, that's nothing, but honestly, that's a lot. That's 33 megabytes that your system is using every time. So pretty much like before I did this, like every time I'll swipe to swipe to open up another page or open up an app, it'll go slow, and it was getting me kind of pissed off because there's been times that I had to get contacts and I'll open up the contact list and it'll just slow itself down. I'll be there waiting for a minute, so I'm like, all right, forget this. I'm gonna give the person my number, and that was getting on to me. So until I started doing this, stop, stupid Siri. All right, this is it, and there you go, Siri. I was accidentally I was holding the stupid home button by accident. You guys should check out my other video I just posted. I posted it yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. How to get Siri on iPhone 4 and an iPad, iPod Touch. It works for whatever. But if you're running on a 6.1, I did it on a 6.1. That's what I'm currently running on my iPhone. You could run it off of an iPad, iPod Touch, iPhone 3G. They have it on they have another one. It's the same thing, run by Siri Doctor, and it's called same thing. I think it's running off of 5.1. I'm not quite sure. I haven't checked it. There you go. It's going through all your information that it does not need. See, there's this thing called UDI Faker I had, and it's just done. See, it's because I did it earlier. It has it cleaned up 31 files for a 696K. That's pretty much what it uses. Total of crap. There's my homie. He finally got back to me. I'm gonna show him this video too. So whatever. All right. So pretty much here. It's done. Pretty much after this, it runs faster. You could tell it's running pretty fast. So then I'll open up my contacts. Like I was saying, it was taking time, and now it just pretty much increased. See, before I used to be stuck there for like 2 minutes or so. That's pretty much it.